Hello everyone, welcome to Hanuman Studies. So this is the daily dose of current affairs, and in this video we are going to discuss current affairs of 16th August 2022. There are few important terms related to this current affairs. So let's start from the first point. 3-day national Writeshop, or in other words it is also a workshop on preparedness of roadmap for revamped National Panchayat Awards. Union Minister of State for Panchayati Raj Kapil Moreshwar Patil inaugurated the 3-day national workshop on preparedness of roadmap on revamped National Panchayat Awards in New Delhi. There will be 15 technical sessions during the workshop. Shri Kapil Moreshwar Patil released the operational guidelines on revamped National Panchayat Awards and the latest issue of Gramoday Sankalp, which is a quarterly magazine of the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Our second point is series of lectures organized by Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR. ICAR organized a series of 75 lectures that concludes with the speech of the Union Agricultural Minister Shri Narendra Singh Tomar. The series started on 17th March 2021. The ICAR and agricultural scientists have done a great job in the development of agriculture. Their endeavor has been to invent new seeds, deliver them to the fields, increase productivity, develop new technologies, and deliver them to the farmers. ICAR is a very important institution whose arms are spread across the country. The institute is engaged to meet the needs of agriculture. Shri Tomar said that there are 86% small farmers in the country who are not in position to invest. For this, 10,000 new farmer producer organizations FPOs have been proposed to be set up with an expenditure of rupees 6,865 crore. Of these, about 3,000 FPOs have already been formed. Our next point is country's first urea plant based on coal gasification technology. Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya, Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers, reviewed the progress of Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited HURL Sindri and Brownie projects, and he also reviewed the progress of Talcher Fertilizers Limited TFL. It is the country's first urea plant based on the coal gasification technology for production of ammonia and urea. The production capacity of TFL would be 12.7 lakh metric ton per annum LMTPA, and the commissioning of the TFL is expected in the year of 2024. Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited is a joint venture company of nominated PSUs, that is National Thermal Power Corporation NTPC, Indian Oil Corporation Limited IOCL, Coal India Limited CIL, and Fertilizers Corporation of India Limited FCIL. Whereas Talcher Fertilizer Limited is incorporated with equity participations of Gas Authority of India Limited GAIL, Coal India Limited CIL, Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited RCF, and Fertilizers Corporation of India Limited FCIL. Our next point is inauguration of public system labs at IIT Delhi. Union Minister for Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Textile, Shri Piyush Goyal, inaugurated the Public System Lab at IIT Delhi. He said that Public System Lab can play a vital role in multiple ways. Public food procurement and distribution are crucial programs in which this innovation can contribute immensely. The lab will use knowledge of operations research, AI, data science, etc. to solve critical problems that are vital for improving the lives of crores of people. It will work in the field of food, health, transportation, and good governance. The current focus of Public System Lab is optimizing food supply chains and public transport. Our next point is Indian Army received indigenously developed equipments and systems. Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh handed over indigenously developed equipment and systems to the Indian Army in New Delhi on 16th August 2022. These equipments/systems have been jointly developed by Indian Army in collaboration with defense public sector undertakings, defense research and development organizations DRDO. The equipments and the systems handed over to the Indian Army are as follows: Future Infantry Soldier as a System, Anti Personal Mine Nipun, Handheld Thermal Imager Uncooled, Commander Thermal Imaging Site for T-90 tank, Downlink equipment with recording facility. Further, semi-ruggedized automatic exchange system MK2, upgraded radio relay frequency hopping, solar photovoltaic energy project, landing craft assault LCA, mini remotely piloted aerial systems RPAS, infantry protected mobility vehicle IPMV, and quick reaction fighting vehicle which is of medium size. Hooghly Cochin Shipyard Limited HCSL build. Shri Sarbanand Sonowal, Union Minister of Port, Shipping and Waterways, and Ayush dedicated the newly built state-of-the-art shipbuilding facility of Hooghly Cochin Shipyard Limited at Nazirganj, Havra, West Bengal to the nation on 16th August 2022. It is a wholly owned subsidiary of Cochin Shipyard Limited. Our next point is Durand Cup begins. Asia's oldest football tournament, Durand Cup, has kicked off its 131st edition in Kolkata on 16th August 2022. The Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Chief of Army Staff General Manoj Pandey visited Manipur to witness the inaugural match, which held at Khuman Lampak Stadium situated at Imphal. Our last point is BCCI ex-secretary Amitabh Chaudhary died in Ranchi. Ex-secretary of BCCI, Team India manager, president of Jharkhand State Cricket Association, and former IPS officer Amitabh Chaudhary died of a heart attack in Ranchi. He was 62 years old. So that's all for current affairs of 16 January 2022. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe it and got to learn from this video, then like the video also.